Morning, this is DailyChilli. I'm here in front of Jiaotong University. It's behind the building of the new library. It was opened like a couple of years ago. And today I'm just gonna give you an update of a dating app. Actually, like a week ago, I did a post talking about should I open a profile. So finally I did. One website or one app called OkCupid. So far I've been talking with some girls in the app, but most of them I think my impression is just to have fun, I think. But some of them, they are very nice. Also, I've been very respectful with all of them. So let's see if I can meet new people, new friends here in Shanghai, because I don't know many people here now. So that's the update for today. And today's Chinese sentence is 我的天桥 que si 我的书很多. So en español es tengo poco dinero, pero muchos libros. So, and the password for my daily post, my daily journal, is books. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.